Hi everyone, welcome to Great Online Training, and in this today's video we are going to discuss about the base SAS certification question number 29. So the question number 29 is the variable name in the data set employee has a $char10 format and the variable name in the data set sales has a $char15 format. So what the first line of the statement explains is there are two data sets, that is the employee data set and also the sales data set. In the employee data set, so in the both the data sets there is a name variable that is same, and in the employee data set the name variable format is $char10 format, and in the sales data set the name variable format is $char15. It means it has a length of 15. So the next statement is the following SAS program is submitted. Data both, length name $20, merge sales and employee by ID and the run statement. And in the data step we can see there is a new data, that is both was created by using the data statement, and the next one is length name as $20. So what the length statement defines is the length statement which will overwrites the before created formats, like before created the lengths. Here in the employee data set it is $char10 format, and in the sales data set it is $char15 format. So what the length statement will do is the length statement will overwrite the before statements. So when we mention the length statement always controls the final length of a variable even though before we applied any attributes. Like if we applied any attributes before, but when we return the length statement it will overwrite the before one. So here the length name $20, and the next statement is merge sales and employee. So what the merge statement will do is the merge statement will concatenate, like it will merge the data set sales and employee by certain variable. So here there is a common variable and along with the name variable and also have the ID. So before this merge we have to sort the data by ID. So by ID is nothing but we are merging the two data set, that is the sales and employee, by the variable ID and the run statement. So what the question is, what is the format for the variable name in the data set both? So what actually is here, as I said, here the length statement is written. So when we return the length statement it will overwrite the before any attributes are present. So here the answer is 20. So the answer here is not $char20, it is $20 but not the fourth one. Because why I am saying the first one is correct and the fourth one is wrong is, so even though the name variable has different lengths or formats in two data sets, that is the employee has $char10 and the sales has $char15, the length statement takes precedence and sets the length to $20 in the new data set, because the format $char is only for display purposes. It defines how SAS displays the value. But the length is what controls how much space is allocated for the variable. In this case you can see the length is defined is 20. So the variable can hold up to 20 characters. But why it is not $char20 is, so the $char20 is written like in the format, when we write the format and the format, the name and $char20. So we don't know, like in the employees data set maybe it has $char10 and in the sales data set maybe it is $char15. But the length is not given, right? If in case if it is given as length, it will give us $10 and $15. So when it is mentioned here the format, so in the data statement the employee and also the sales, maybe the format statement has written like format name and $char10 format and $char15 format, but here the length is written. So if I'm saying that here $20, but why not $char20 is, if we have mentioned the format statement here, like here the length is given, right? Instead of length it may given as format name $20, like $char20, then the answer is $char20. So I will show you in the SAS for that. So for example, yeah. For example, if I have written as format name and $char20 dot, so $char20 dot, So when I return like this, only the answer will be $char20. So in this case, the length statement is specified, not the format statement. So the correct answer here is $20 but not the $char20. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and subscribe to the Great Online Training channel and like the video and also share the video to your friends. So thank you for watching.